Okay, in this video I will show you how to create traceable matrix or requirement traceability matrix. In addition to preparing stakeholder requirements documentation as an output of the collecting requirement process, project teams often require to create requirement management plan and requirement traceability matrix. So what is requirement traceability matrix? It is a table that lists requirements and various attributes of each requirement and the status of the requirements to ensure that all requirements are addressed. Okay. Here I give you an example. Here is an example of one of your team member traceability matrix. For example, in the first column you have requirement number and address. What is the most important requirement when you creating a project? For example, you categorize them as a hardware, software, and human resources. On the hardware, maybe you talk about the server, the PC, the tablet, and all the printers. On the software side, maybe you take about the programs, right? About the program. What are the programs? Requirements, okay? What are the sources? And the last one, maybe you're gonna put category as human resources. What are example of that? Like trainings and support. Training means you train the user how to use the system, and support is technical support. In case somebody don't know how to do certain tasks, they may ask or call technical support. And how do you get all of this? This is all the documentation. Maybe you create it in the project charter, right? Perhaps you get it from the suppliers. The source may be from the supplier, like the server, the printer, the tablet. You may get this all of these items from the supplier. And the status. What's the status of that? For example, in the PC, what's the memory requirements? And on the printer side, what are the type of printer, whether it is a dot matrix or a laser printing. For training, what's the status on training? Well, usually the training and the technical support is upon completion of the implementation of the system. When the project is finished, the hardware and software is being set up properly, then at the end we're gonna have training. We need to train the user how to use the system. Also the technical support, if there is any question, whom we need to call, okay, and what phone number. So all of this is called traceability matrix. Make sure you read chapter 5 about scope management. Hopefully this video will help you, and I give you an example of traceability matrix document. Thank you.